I was waiting for the train when I saw something moving in the dark tunnel below. At first, I thought it was a rat, but then my heart stopped. It had a terrifying humanoid shape. "No way," I whispered, as the creature's glowing eyes locked onto mine. It darted quickly, disappearing into a hidden underground hole, like it was protecting its dark kingdom. I tried telling others, but no one believed me until someone else spotted it too. Now, I can't shake the feeling that something is watching me every time I pass those tunnels.